This is Apple Card. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will take a look at the new Apple Card. I will go over the physical card, features, and the card in the Wallet app. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. The card comes in a nice white envelope with the Apple logo on the front. As with all Apple products, they continue with the premium look and feel. It takes about 1 week once you are approved to receive the card. The application process is done through the Apple Wallet. Just launch the Wallet app and you will see the Apple Card option. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your personal information. Within a few taps, the process will confirm and that you are approved. Throughout the process, you will be notified via email and notifications on the shipment status. Activation of the card is straightforward. Just launch the Apple Card in the Wallet app and hold the phone near the card to complete the activation. It's quick and easy, and the entire process for applying and activating the card is very smooth. Some of the features of the card are 1% cash back on everything, 2% if you use Apple Pay, and 3% at the Apple Store. Your cash backs will automatically be put in your Apple Cash card once the transactions have settled. The card is titanium with a matte white front and back. The name is laser etched, and I've covered mine just for privacy. You'll also have the Apple logo and the chip on the front. The back has a magnetic stripe along with the issuing bank, Goldman Sachs, and the MasterCard logo, the provider. The card feels durable and it has some weight. The white finish has a nice clean look all around. I'm not sure how this is going to hold up over time though. Here you can hear as I tap the card. Definitely a metal finish. It's approximately 0.8 millimeters in thickness, and it weighs in at roughly 15 grams. The user interface is very intuitive and it's easy to navigate. You can clearly see your daily balance along with the transactions. You can also drill down further into the transactions to see more detail. Payment is easy and it gives you the options to pay early or at the scheduled date, and it provides you insight on interest charges. The color gradient of the card changes colors in the app depending on what you purchase. Green for travel, blue for transportation, orange for food and drink, pink for entertainment, purple for services, yellow for shopping, and red for health. And accessing the settings are straightforward. You can view the credit card details such as the card number, your limits, the APR, bank account, address, and so on. So having activated and used the Apple Card, the entire process was smooth and it worked with no issues for me. It really is just another credit card. But I like the interface and the daily cash back once the transactions settle. If you are already in the Apple ecosystem, I see this as another way to just get into it even more. If you decide to leave Apple, then you will be giving up everything. But if you are looking just to apply for a card, there are definitely better options and alternatives out there that offer more benefits. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.